Enjoy eating Cajun food? You'll be surprised at how easy it is to bring those flavors that you love to your own dishes. In this video, I'll show you all the ingredients that you need to make a basic Cajun seasoning blend. Begin with 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and half a tablespoon of thyme. Thoroughly mix these ingredients together. Now you're all set. Add Cajun flavor to your next big meal and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.